how to buy King MYRO token crypto coin. So to be able to buy this token it's easy and simple. Now make sure this token is under this network called the BNB Smart Chain. Now copy the wallet. It's easy to do that. Now make sure you have the Bitget wallet on your browser. So after you create an account on it, now go and make sure to select the BNB chain from here. So after you select it, now after that click on this search. Now as you can see, paste it here. Now you won't be able to find it, just click on this plus icon. Now after that paste this token address, and after that, as you can see, this is our wallet, or this is our token, sorry. As you can see, it's not listed anymore because that's why you can see the icon here. Now just click on plus. Now after that, go to home to find your coin. Now after you go back, and now make sure you select the BNB chain. Now after that, scroll down. As you can see, you find it here. Now it's easy. Now you can buy it. Just click on plus and they will redirect you to other page to buy this token. So as you can see, you can buy with currency. So after you fill with BNB, just make sure to select the BNB. Now make sure to, as you can see, the transaction amount. Now from here, just type how much you want to buy, as you can see, and this is how much of BNB you will receive. So after you fill your Bitget wallet by BNB, you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the King MYRO token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.